Hi everyone, this is Mohit and welcome back to Engineers Tech Up channel. So in this video, we will discuss one more common interview question. Tell me about yourself. So this is first question. If you are going for the any interview, this is your first question. So first I want to give some suggestion. What you have to speak in tell me about yourself, right? So first of all you have to tell about yourself, your personal stuff. So we should not tell the story because the interviewer having the less time. So you have to present your skill set. You have to present your real time working experience, your roles and responsibility. These are the important thing you have to highlight in tell me about yourself. Got it, right? So first of all, see, I'm not going to tell you what I'm going to speak. You can copy and paste. You can also find what I can make it to, what I can add over there to make your profile unique. But as per my experience, I have attended many interview. I have suggested to my friend attended many interview and I got a very good feedback. Okay, so first I want to just I and this introduction is for your fresher or experience or any profile. If you are working, I am working as a senior automation test engineer, and whatever I have worked before or in my current organization, same thing I am going to explain in this video. So if you are working in development, if you are working in the DevOps, so you can find yourself and you can find your work and also what the problem I am trying to resolve your problem. Okay, so what is the problem? Sometimes we are not able to speak, right? We are not able to present. You already working but you are not able to present, right? So what is the solution? Solution is your first of all your guidance and your practice. This is your, if you will not do the practice, you cannot perform good, definitely, right? So you have to do practice. So let's we'll start what you have to speak and tell me about yourself. So just I am going to tell myself. So this is Mohit. I am from Bihar. I have done graduation from West Bengal University. So this is the three thing I am adding, why I am adding university name and graduation. This is your important things where you have done your BTech or graduation. Then I am going to move in professional career. About my professional career, I having a 6-year experience in testing profile. About my relevant experience, I worked 3 years as a automation testing and 3 years as a manual testing. Currently I am working in XYZ company. Then I will move inside this. About my skill, I am good in core Java, Selenium WebDriver, manual testing, Python, API testing, and I'm also learning new technology for development for Django. This is the skill set you have to highlight over there. Then you have to move in brief introduction. You have to tell about your roles and responsibility in your current project. Got it, right? So this is very important, your roles and responsibility, right? So I am going to tell my roles and responsibility. You can add yourself what you are doing in your current project. If you are the automation test engineer, you can follow what I am going to speak, but you have to know, right? If you are only following the things, you are not doing the practice, you will never confident in front of the interviewer, right? You have a proper practice, then you are able to speak properly, right? So in current organization, I work with 2 projects. One is related to UI validation and one is related to API testing validation. I have done both. In UI, I completely involved in automation. I did not involve in the any manual task. So we having the one existing framework, and in the starting we got the KT 1 week and we understand the framework from end to end. Then after that we got the task for manual test cases. So what is the process for in this organization in this what is the process? We having the manual test cases. We have to understand the scenario, or we have to understand the requirement, what is the requirement, and as per the test cases we have to automate our test cases. So in our framework we having the page object model. Guys, I'm not going to highlight here what is framework and all. I will make the separate video for your how to explain your framework, how to explain your roles and responsibility. This is the introduction part. Got it, right? So I'm going to tell you the introduction. Okay, what you have to speak in the very short, and you have to present what you are doing right now in the current project. So as per the manual test, as per requirement, I have to create a page object model. Then we have to call all the method in the test runner class. So this is the script development part. We have developed the script. Now will come in the execution part. Then after developing the script, I have to execute end to end. If any failure is there in the script, then we have to fix our script. If anything having like application or be having the bug and all, then we have to raise the bug, we have to raise the defect to the developer, and we have to follow them, right? If there is no bug, we having the script issue, we have to fix that issue. Then we have to after fixing this, again I will re-execute our script. If everything is work fine, I will check my report. If all the test cases is passed, then we have to close our test cases. This is my first project. I worked 6 months. I enjoy over there. Then I got the another opportunity to work in the API testing. That was the one challenging work because I was completely new in the API testing. I took that challenge to learn the API testing within a week, and I have started to work, and I also got many support from my team. They have supported me, and I have started to my work. I have started from the scratch level. First we got the specification requirement document. I was defining the test cases. After completing the test cases, I also got the opportunity to automate the test cases. So in our organization, we have a existing framework. We got the KT and we understand the framework. I have started to automate. So what is the process for automation? We having the one input sheet. We have to create a data. First of all, I execute all the test cases in SOAP POI. And another challenge was there in the starting, how to create the JSON data. I learned this, how to create that JSON data. It's really, I enjoy to learn this, creating the JSON data. Then after that, I have executed manually. If everything is working fine, then I have to create a data in the Excel sheet, and in our framework automatically, if I ran that Excel sheet, I will get this one more output sheet with report. So we can validate. So validation is happening from some database. So we are validating from the database where actual data is over there. If everything is working fine, then we have to close our test case. So this is my roles and responsibility for API testing. So this is my roles and responsibilities. So that's all. You have to highlight this part in this. Tell me about yourself. You can add some new point, but I don't want to make this more lengthy, because introduction or tell me about yourself is try to speak more in very less time. I think this video is helpful for you. If you really if you having any feedback, comment below. I will, if you are facing any problem for cracking the interview, do you have any question to make the another video, please comment below. I will try my level best to explain answer. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, share with your friend, and press bell icon for your new video notification. Okay, so thank you so much. We will meet you in the next session.